Hello students, today we will discuss the autocomplete feature of Excel 2016. The autocomplete feature in Excel is not something you can do anything about. It is just something to be aware of while you enter your data. In an attempt to cut down on your typing load, our friendly software engineers at Microsoft came up with the autocomplete feature. This feature tries to act like a mind reader, anticipating that you might want to enter next based on what you just entered. Like if you want to enter the mathematical series from 1 to 10, you just write here 1, drag this column, select this drop down, there is an option fill series, then it will be automatically written in your cell. Look, you have numbers from 1 to 14. It is the autocomplete feature for making the Excel sheet better. Now, if you want to write the months from January to December or from July to December, then you just have to write January here and you have to drag the cell. The other months will be written automatically, that is January, February, March, whatever. So it is known as the autocomplete feature of your Excel 2016. How to enable and disable this feature of Excel? You just go to File, you select Options, select Advanced, now you have these editing options. Here is an option to enable your autocomplete cell. This one, this feature. When you want to enable it, you just check the box. If you want to disable this feature, you just uncheck the box. Then you press OK. And this feature will be disabled or enabled according to your check in the checkbox. You have one more feature here, that likewise if you write January here and you want to repeat your months, you don't want to get the series for this, then you have an option here to copy cells. Fill series means if it will be filled by series at January to February, March, April. Fill formatting only. Fill without formatting. If you give any format to your January cell, then it will be copied with the formatting. Like if you write here the copy cells, it will copy the January in all the cells. And if you select fill series, then it will give you the series from January to August. So it is a feature to copy and to get the series from your Excel sheet. There are some of the samples of series that you have to use in this Excel sheet, that if you write the June, full month of June here, then it will give you the series with the full names. If you are writing JUN only for June, then it will give you the series in the same pattern. In the same way, if you write Tuesday here, it will give you the series of the full week. If you write the date like 4/1/99, then it will give you another dates. It's giving an error because the cell is too small for the entry. Hash error. We are going to scroll the columns. In the same way, when you write anything that is Q2, it will give you the entries like Q3, Q4. Same with the time. If you write here 8 minutes 9 seconds, it will give you the error for copying. You just select this column and drag it. It will give you 9, 10 and so on. So they all are the sample series of autofill. It was all about the autofill feature of Excel 2016. Thank you.